So you've got a patio sliding glass door. It's really hard to latch. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the wheels for the best close. This way you don't have to fight with it anymore. Okay, I got a dining room door here that's this is really patio door. Really tough to close. Now, if I push it, I can really, I have to push it really hard, I can get it to close. But what's going on there is the pivot is a little bit off, and what's happening is the bottom is hitting for the top. Now, you can probably see it a little bit more from this distance here. The gap here, it's about a 1/4 inch. And when you get to the top, it's about 3/4 of an inch. So what we've got is the pivot, and what you have on these is 2 wheels on the bottom that are actually adjustable. What you can do is get in there with a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need to take off this little foot pin. So I'll just remove the top screw, and they have to loosen the bottom screw a tiny bit. Sometimes they're actually already loose enough, as this one is, to pull it off. And right here we've got this little hole here, and that'll allow us to get in there to reach the patio wheel, and we can raise the wheel up in theory. This one does not seem to be lining up exactly right to where the screw is. But with these, what I usually do is take the door track, lift up the whole door, and just set it on the track, and that way the wheel takes the pressure off the wheel. So now, don't want to put your fingers under there or anything, don't want to get anything smashed, but we should be able to get in here to the wheel assembly. There it is. And I'm just going to turn this, and that's going to raise the wheel more that way. And you saw we had a good ways, so I'm going to give it a good amount of turns. Whoop, my deal dropped back into the track, which is okay. We'll go ahead and give it a test at that point. There we go. Much better. And now you can see our gap here is much more lined up. It still could go a tiny bit more, but everything seals. Door closes good. I might go ahead and go just a tiny bit more, because it'll be more perfect. Again, I'm maintaining some pressure here on the door to keep it from falling back in the track. Again, gonna reach in there. There it is. I'll tighten my wheel down. Okay. And that'll be even better. I can go ahead and drop it back in, just like that. Now once again, press the door. Beautiful. Now we're perfect. You can see our gap is same size relatively the whole way, and more importantly, it seals all the way. No openings, no gaps. And our latch works nice and easy. The latch, sometimes you can adjust this a little bit by loosening the 2 screws and move the whole plate over a little bit, but you can see that pivot's off. It's really better to fix that pivot anyway. With the foot pin, just drop it back in. It just slides back on over that bottom screw there. And then we tighten down, insert and tighten down this screw here. And this actually helps hold the door frame together as well. So and there's the door pin back in place. We're all set there. Good to go.